What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we're going to be doing another declutter. I have been really spending my time during this quarantine decluttering my makeup collection because, honey, it needs to be decluttered. Like, it needed to be decluttered 5 years ago. So I've been making this a series on my channel and you guys seem to really enjoy it. So today we're gonna be tackling a new part of my beauty room that I haven't touched in a while. Basically, in most of my declutters, I'm focusing on these drawers over here. This is kind of my main vanity area and where the makeup that I normally use is stored. But then on the other side of my room, I have a bunch of drawers over here, which I honestly don't come over here all that often. Or not that I don't come over here, but I bought these drawers at the Container Store a couple years ago and I thought that I was really gonna like them when I bought them, and then honestly they've just kind of become a mess and a disaster and they're neglected and I haven't gone through these in a while. Okay, a lot of Too Faced Born This Way there, but y'all know that's my favorite foundation. So I do have a lot of those. But a lot of these drawers are just like mishmash stuff, like not organized whatsoever at all. So we do need to go through them. I'm probably not gonna go through every single one of these drawers in today's video. This is probably gonna be like a multi-video series going through all of this stuff because a lot of these are jam-packed. But like this drawer, for example, will be one that we will go through today because it's just a mishmash of stuff and it needs to be decluttered badly. Because I feel like there's a lot of good stuff in here, but because I just know it's a disaster, I never go over here to like pick for my makeup. So we might as well get started. We'll go with this drawer right here, which looks to be filled with concealer. If you're new to my declutters or new to my channel, I am a beauty YouTuber, so I do have a lot of makeup. I buy a lot of makeup. I also get a lot of makeup sent to me in PR, and obviously I need to keep a lot more makeup on hand than probably the usual person, just because like it would get annoying and repetitive if I use the same products always in my videos. So I do like to always switch it up, so I do keep some more makeup on hand, but that doesn't mean that I don't have a lot of stuff that needs to be decluttered, because I do. So basically I'll go through the makeup, I'll keep the stuff I want to keep. Anything that is not expired I will donate, and then if it's expired I will toss it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the declutter. All right, so right on top I see one of the Tarte Creaseless Concealers. So this is actually a really good concealer from Tarte. I always use Shape Tape, so I forget to grab for this, but I am going to go ahead and keep this guy because it is a really nice concealer. Next we have the Milk Makeup Concealer. This one I don't think I've ever used because this shade would be too dark for me, and I don't remember like loving this concealer, like even the consistency or the like even the formula itself, because I haven't really reached for it that often. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate this to someone to get better use. Next we have a Revlon Color Stay Concealer. I'm gonna keep this because I love having this on hand for affordable tutorials. We have a Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This one I think I kept to be used as like a contour shade, but I honestly have never used it. You can see from the top it's never been used, so I'm gonna go ahead and donate it. Because you guys will see in here, like I have deep concealers. Like here's an e.l.f. Camo. This is obviously way too dark to be used as like a concealer on me, but I can use it as a cream contour. So that's why I have a lot of shades of concealer. It's not just used, you know, to conceal the face, but also to contour and highlight. This one looks like it would be a little too dark for me, and a lot of times brands send the full shade range in PR, so we end up with all the shades. This one looks like it would even be a little dark though for a contour on me, so I'm gonna go ahead and donate it to someone to get better use. Here's a lighter of the e.l.f. Camo, which I will keep. We have the Hydra Concealer from Tarte. Actually really like this concealer for like minimal makeup days, so I'm gonna keep. Also just noticed my nails are not done, so this was probably not the video to do on the days that my nail is not done, but hopefully y'all don't mind. We have the Too Faced Born This Way, which I'm going to go ahead and donate this one. I have a lot of these, so I suspect there are going to be more underneath here, so I will donate this one on the top. We have another of the Milk Makeup, which I will donate. Another e.l.f. Camo that I am going to keep. The Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting. This bigger Too Faced Born This Way concealer is like my absolute favorite. I love, 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 love this. And this is a shade Maple, which I do use to a cream contour, so I'm going to keep this. The CoverGirl Undercover. This one's a really nice. This I will keep on hand as a cream contour for more affordable tutorials. All right, I see a bunch of e.l.f. ones here, so let me gather them up so we can go through them all at once. So I'm seeing a lot of them. All right, so we have quite a few. I think when e.l.f. first came out with this, they sent like the whole range to influencers, and maybe even like twice. I don't even know, because I have a lot of these. There I am dropping some. Clearly, I have a lot of these, so I'm going to keep one or two that look to be close to my shade that I could use, and then the rest I will go ahead and donate. We have another of the Tarte Creaseless, so since I already kept one, I'm going to go ahead and donate this one. I see a couple of these Super Stays from Maybelline, so I'm going to grab them all up. See, like there is no need for one person to have all of these different shades. So I'm going to pick one to cream contour, so I will take this one right here to cream contour, so I'll keep this one. And then I'm going to keep this one as like an actual concealer shade for underneath the eyes, and I will go ahead and donate these guys. We have a couple Age Rewinds as well, so I'm going to grab up all of the ones that I can see. For this concealer, I know I like this brightener shade one, so this I'm going to keep, but then these other shades I'm going to go ahead and donate because none of them have been used or opened, so they're good to be donated. Now I'm grabbing up Too Faced Born This Ways. All right, so again, we have a lot of these, so I'm going to be doing the same thing where I keep two and then I will donate the rest. So I think I'm going to keep this one and this one. I'll just keep these two right in the center, and these ones I will donate. Another of the CoverGirl Undercover. This one I really like, so I am going to keep. We have another Instant Age Rewind that I didn't get the last time, so gonna donate. Next, I have a lot of these all-nighters from Urban Decay. All right, I have a ton of these, a lot of different shades, a lot of different options. I'm gonna go ahead and donate these. I don't reach for them really ever. I don't even honestly remember my thoughts on them, but I must have not like absolutely loved it because it never became part of my daily routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate. Concealer's hard because honestly, I always use Shape Tape, which I can see there's a lot of Shape Tape back there. So we will be going through them, but a lot of times I don't try new concealers just because I love that so much. But a close second definitely is this Born This Way from Too Faced. This honestly, I probably like this just as much as I do Shape Tape. They're different, so depending on like what kind of foundation I'm using, depends on which concealer I'm gonna be using. So I will keep a decent amount of these on hand, but I certainly don't need all of these. I already kept one for contouring, so all of these darker shades I'm gonna go ahead and donate, and then this one lighter shade I will keep. Because again, a lot of times I keep varying shades in concealer just because depending if I'm tan or I'm lighter, and also how light I want my under eye. Sometimes I do a really bright under eye, and then sometimes I do an under eye that more so matches my foundation, so I like to have both options. And because I self-tan, a lot of times my skin tone like varies a lot, as we can see by this horrible self-tan line. I'm gonna be redoing it tonight, so don't look at that. All right, so I've gathered together a few more Born This Ways and then a few more creaseless Tarte concealers. Since I've kept concealers from both of these ranges, I'm gonna go ahead and donate these ones. And pretty much none of these concealers really have been used. I think in here I was just putting concealers when I was receiving them in PR, because a lot of these I'll have like one or so shades over in my main vanity area. So pretty much none of these have been used so far, which is great because then they're good to donate. I randomly have this little Lancome, I don't know what this is, highlighting skin fluid, like a little pen. I don't know. I don't think I'll ever really use this, so I'm gonna donate it. I have a few of the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealers, so I'll go ahead and keep one. I'm just gonna keep this one in the middle, and I will donate these two. Another Milk Makeup concealer, this I will donate. We have these two guys from Lancome. These I think are very old. I feel like I've had these for quite some time, so this I'm probably gonna toss because I think these are probably expired. So I'm gonna toss these. I don't wanna take a chance on donating something expired. Oh, another Born This Way that I didn't catch, so gonna go in and donate her. I have this little Bare Minerals Bare Pro concealer. Doesn't look like it's ever been used, so I will donate it. We have some Urban Decay Naked Skins that are literally still in the packaging, so I will donate these. Yo, we are donating a lot. I'll show you the pile when we're done with this. Then I have a couple random ones before we get into the Shape Tapes. So we have the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Concealer. This I really like, so I will keep both of these. We have this Natasha Denona Concealer. I think I have the one that is my shade in my main makeup vanity, so this one I'm gonna donate because it looks a little deep, but not deep enough to really be a contour, so I just don't think it's gonna be a good shade for me, so I'm gonna donate this. All right, now in the back here, we have a bunch of Shape Tape and then some Too Faced. So again, these are like the main concealers that I use, so I do have a lot of them. I do go through these very fast, but do I need this many of them? No. So I'm gonna go through and I will probably keep maybe like 30% and donate the rest. All right, so here's the empty container. This is the pile of stuff that I'm gonna be keeping, and then this is the pile of stuff that I'm gonna be donating. So definitely donating a lot more than I'm keeping, so I'm happy about that. We got a lot of stuff to be donated over here. They about to have a lot of new concealers. All right, you guys, we're gonna take a quick little commercial break because I actually have a sponsor for today's video, which I'm so thankful and grateful for, because it's because of your guys' support that companies want to work with me, and companies of products that I've literally used for years. So I wanna thank Vanity Planet for partnering with me again to sponsor today's video, to show you guys one of my favorites from them. This is their Pose vanity mirror, and it's literally amazing, all right? I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what the vanity mirror looks like. I love it because I use it for travel, so it has this hard case kind of that covers the mirror. So this will not shatter on you, and then when you open this up, it also doubles as like a stand. So the mirror can stand on its own, and it's lighted, which is incredible. And you can also dim it, so I love that you can dim it. Gives perfect lighting if you're in like a hotel room or something that doesn't have great makeup lighting. As you guys can see, it right here helps to light up my face so I can do my makeup, and it's very light so you could pick it up, but then I like that you can also just place it down and it stands completely on its own. Right here on the side, you just charge it so you don't have to worry about batteries or the power running out. And the battery lasts quite a long time, pretty much for most of the time when I travel, and I don't really charge it until I get home. And Vanity Planet was so amazing. They hooked us up with an amazing discount code, so you guys can use code KellyPose to get this for 55% off. And don't sleep on it, you guys. Their stuff always sells out really, really fast. So if you want it, there'll be a link in the description. Again, the code KellyPose will get you 55% off of this, which is amazing. I think you guys will really, really like it. And it's not even just to be used for travel. You can totally use it on your own vanity as well. It is a good size mirror, as you can see. It's pretty big. So it can certainly be used outside of travel as well. That's just what I like to use it for best. All right, now back to the declutter. All right, up next we have another drawer with lots of randomness. So there's quite a few concealers in here. We have powders and just like lashes in the back, a lot of random stuff in here. So we'll go through this one now. So on top here, I see these new Neutrogena concealers. So these are like brand spanking new. I just got them in. Not sure why my camera isn't focusing. There we go. So I'm gonna keep these because they are newer. I haven't really gotten a chance to try them for very long. I have a lot of the Catrice Camo concealer, so I don't need all of these clearly. So I'll keep a lighter one, I'll keep this one, and then I'll keep this little bit of a darker one, then I'll donate these guys. Here's a couple more in here, which I will donate. Another Huda Overachiever concealer, which I will donate. See, again, I have like a lot of random concealers, I guess, that I couldn't fit in my other drawer in here because there's also a lot of Pretty Fresh from ColourPop in here. So I know I already kept 2 of them. I do like these for like no makeup days. This shade just doesn't look like it will work for me, so I will donate. Let me just gather them all together. All right, so I have quite a few of these. Don't need this many. So I'm going to keep this one to contour out with. And I'm gonna pick one like shade for my under eyes. This one looks pretty good because I did already keep 2. So I'm gonna keep this one as well. And then all these guys I'll donate. Then we have some of the By Terry hyaluronic powders. These I love. I have the main one that I use in my like everyday vanity. These are really nice. So I'm gonna keep this one. And then I have another one as well, which I am gonna keep because I do really like these. And I do have a third one. This is the fair one, so this one's a little light, so this one I'll go ahead and donate. We also have an e.l.f. Halo Glow, which these I really like. What shade is this? Oh, I think this is the light one. Yeah, this is the light one, so I'll donate this one. I have the medium one in my regular vanity. This one's a little light, so I will donate it. Then we have a big of the Laura Mercier Translucent. I know in my regular vanity I have a lot of these, so I'll donate this. Then we have this L'Oreal Lash Serum Solution. Oh, I think I tried this actually. Did I just put it back in the packaging? I think I might have because this looks like it's already been opened. And this I liked. I think I forgot to keep using it, so I'm gonna keep this. It basically like helps to grow out your lashes, so I'm gonna keep her. All right, we have a couple more of these Huda Beauties in here, so let me gather these up. All right, I have a lot of these. I think I already kept one of these, so maybe I will just keep one more. Like this one, it looks like it's in a pretty neutral shade, Cookie Dough. So I'll keep Cookie Dough, and then these guys I'll go ahead and donate. We have another Neutrogena, so I kept the first 2 that I grabbed. Sorry, my camera's like not focusing today, but I'll go ahead and donate this one because we kept the other 2. Here are the rest of the Natasha Denona. I knew I had these somewhere. Also another Huda that I found, so I'm gonna donate. But here are the Natasha Denona concealers. This is her Transfix Matte, so I'm gonna keep this one. This looks like a good shade for my under eyes. I'll go ahead and donate the rest. Then we have another Super Stay from Maybelline. Pretty sure I kept a couple of these already, so I'll donate. We have another of the e.l.f. Halo powders in here. This one I think is medium. Yes, so this I'll keep because I do really like this powder. It's really nice. Then we have a ton of these. I feel like you guys can't see this part of the box. Sorry about that. We have a lot of these MAC Studio Fix, so let me grab these all. All right, back in the day, I used to absolutely love this concealer. It used to come in a squeezy tube, not in a doe foot applicator like it has now, and they changed the applicator. They sent me a bunch of them, and I don't know, I feel like I forgot that I have these because I do remember really liking this, so what I'm gonna do is just pick like 1 or 2 that I like maybe this shade looks decent for me, and maybe I'll do one like on the lighter side in case I have like want to do like a highlighted eye like this one. And then honestly, I think I'm gonna donate the rest because I have a ton of these and I don't reach for them that often. I don't know why. All right, we have 3 more Shape Tapes hanging out down here, so I'll donate 2 of them and keep 1. We have this little guy that's rolling all over the place. So this is like a Tarte palette. Ooh, girl, this is pretty. This is one of their blush palettes. This is actually really, really beautiful. So this I am gonna keep. It's nice to have all those blushes in like one area. Then I have some backup lashes. Ooh, a couple more concealers back there that I didn't see. My 614s from Salon Perfect. Y'all already know these are my babies, so I'll be keeping them. Then we have some more lashes back here. These are from Nakia Joy Cosmetics. Super, super pretty and wispy. I'll be keeping these. I go through lashes very, very fast. So it might seem like I have a lot, but I'm telling you guys, like these I go through like water. So these are all 614s, which if you watch any of my videos, if this is my first video you're watching of mine, you might think I'm crazy to keep all of these, but I'm telling you guys, I use these literally every day or every time that I do my makeup. They are by far my most used lash, and I don't really reuse these kind of lashes that often. They are affordable, but they are very light, so they can be a little bit more difficult to clean. So I normally only get about 2 uses out of each pair. So I really do go through these a lot. So I'm gonna keep all these. But I think after this, we're gonna go through some more lashes and we'll probably get rid of like a lot because I always wear those ones. So I don't need a lot more. All right, and then these last 3 concealers, we have Huda Beauty and then 2 MAC Studio Fix, which I will just donate all these. Alrighty, so we cleared out. Here is the stuff that I am keeping, and then over here is the nice big pile for donation. So again, we have a lot of stuff for donation, which is amazing. All right, now up next, we are gonna go through one of my lash drawers. I have a lot of these drawers that are filled with lashes. This is just one of them, so I'll probably do one of these today, and then in my next declutter, I'll do some of the other ones, because I feel like this is already gonna be 30 minutes long, but I figured we would do this one to close it out. So let's get started. All right, first thing I see are these 661s from Salon Perfect. These I love, I'm gonna keep them. We have these Pure X Barbie. This was a collab, but these are really, really pretty. Actually, I like wispier lashes like this, so I'm gonna keep these. We have these babies from Tarte. These are so va va boom, but I think they're a little too much for even me, which is crazy, so I'll donate these and maybe somebody can get better use out of them than I can. Then we have these guys from Violet Voss. I don't really love these, so I'm gonna donate them. Another pair from Violet Voss. These ones are a little bit more spikier, so I'm gonna keep them. We have these pretty kind of cat-eyed ones. I'm sorry, a lot of these, because of the glare, like it's hard for me to show you guys with the camera, but these are really pretty, so I'm gonna keep these. I see another Salon Perfect back here. I love their lashes. These are the 662s, which I will keep. Then we have these from Duart Beauty, which these come in pieces, so the center pieces are still available. There was like ones for the end, ones for the front, so I use the pieces if I just wanna put them on like the outer corners of my eye, so I'm gonna keep these. Then I see a ColourPop lash. These came out a while ago. These I'm gonna go ahead and donate. Then we have these Ardell. These are a little too thick, so I'll donate them. I don't like super thick ones. I like wispy and long. If you guys haven't realized that already. We have these Studio Effects from Ardell. These ones are actually really pretty, so I'm gonna keep them. We have another ColourPop. These ones are a little bit more cat-eyed, but these are pretty short. They're not that long, so I'll donate these. Then we have the TL9s from Tati Lashes. These are really pretty. I'm gonna keep them. We have these faux minks from Ardell, which I will keep. We have two pairs of Remy lashes from Ardell. These ones, the 781s, I'm gonna donate. I'm gonna keep the 778s. We have another Studio Effect, but these ones are really short, so I'm gonna donate these. I'm gonna keep both of these 3D faux mink. We have the Wispies from Ardell, which these were my favorites before the Salon Perfect 614 came around, so I'm gonna keep these. We have this Huda Beauty Samantha lash. These look really pretty, so I'm gonna keep these ones. We have these guys from Tati Lashes. These ones look a little intense, so I think I'll donate. These ones from Tati are a little wispier, so I'll keep these. I have quite a few lashes from them, so let's gather them up so we can see. These are the TL21s. I like these and kind of the cat eye effect, so I'm gonna keep these. These are the TL7s. These I also really like. Their lashes are really pretty because they're light and kind of wispy, even though they're a little thicker, so I'm gonna keep these as well. I think I already kept one of these ones, same TL21, so I'll donate this one, and then I'll keep this TL3. Then we have another Duart Beauty lash, which I'm gonna keep. Again, these are the kind that come in the 3 different pieces, so I like them. TL7s from Tati, which I believe I already kept one of these, so I'll donate this one. Then we have these from Tati. These are a little intense, so I think I'll donate them. I love the look of thick lashes, but sometimes these are too much on my eyes, so, but then these, I feel like these are just little, so I feel like I would never really wear these, so these I'll donate. I like something right in between. I gotta be complicated, y'all already know. Okay, we have more Wispies from Ardell, which I'm gonna keep, and then another pair of Demi Wispies. These were my OG in college. I literally wore them every single day, like every single day, even to class and everything, which is embarrassing to think about now, but that was me. Then we have some Ardell individuals, which I will keep these. I like individuals. We do have another pack of individuals as well in the back, but I do use these pretty often, and I don't typically reuse individuals because they're so small, so I will keep a second box of them on hand. Then we have another pair of those everyday lashes from Tati, which I will donate. These thicker ones, which I'm gonna donate, and then 2 pairs of the Tati TL4s, so I will keep one and donate the other. And we are done. Okay, so in this category, I kept a few more lashes than I was going to donate, but that's okay. I feel like we have a lot of other stuff that we've got today to donate, and we still have a lot more to go through. I'm gonna keep this going on my channel and keep doing videos because the makeup keeps coming in, so it's basically a constant flow of stuff needing to be decluttered and stuff that I can donate. All right, you guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed the declutter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.